A new study shows that wasabi can improve some types of cognitive function in those aged over 60, especially in terms of memory retention.
고추냉이가 60세 이상 노인의 일부 인지 기능, 특히 기억력 유지 측면의 개선에 도움을 준다는 연구 결과가 나왔습니다. 와사비 좋아하시죠?
I love wasabi.
네, 저도 그렇습니다.
Yeah.
So it's really good for you. Your brain functions.
Apparently,
Okay.
right. So it's an ingredient that's in wasabi. It has a very long name, but they call it the 6-MSITC. And it's already, I think they've done studies on this, and it's already been linked to antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects that seem to slow down damages to cells and protect them. So they ran this study. It was a trial involving 72 adults aged over 60, and they did this for 12 weeks, and they split them into two groups randomly. In the first group, they took this wasabi tablet once a day, and the second group took a placebo tablet. And at the end of the 12-week experiment, those who took the wasabi tablets showed significantly better performances in their episodic memory. That means they're recalling events from the past, as well as their working memory, which means to hold information temporarily. And this was based on a series of cognitive tests that the researchers conducted on them.
단기 기억과 장기 기억을 이렇게 표현하는군요. Episodic memory. 그럼
Yeah.
에피소드처럼 단기 기억. 그다음에 장기 기억은 working memory. 그래서 긴 기억이라는 뜻으로 이렇게 쓰네요.
Yeah.
일본의 한 대학에서 이 실험을 한 겁니다. 그래서 일본의 도호쿠 대학에서 이렇게 스터디를 했는데 60세에서 80세 사이 한 70몇 명 정도를 대상으로 여러 가지 테스트를 해봤더니 이제 와사비를 드신 분들이 기억력이 굉장히 오래 가더라. 단기,
Yeah.
장기 기억 다 향상이 되더라. 굉장히 놀랍습니다.
And I mean, if you think about it, 12 weeks is not that long. And if they showed improvements within such a short time, if you take it every day.
그죠? 그렇다고 뭐 고추냉이를 뭐 계속 먹으라는 건 아니고요. 이 실험에 의하면 그렇더라라는 게 되겠습니다.
Yeah.
Let's have a look at the vocabulary. The first one is cognitive function.
Yes, it's a very scientific sort of way to say your mental skills. So it's talking about your mental abilities. Cognitive means relating to the mental process involved in knowing, learning, and understanding things. And of course, function is what something does.
Cognitive 인지, function, 기능이 되겠습니다. What about memory retention?
Right. Retention. Retaining something means to keep. So retention is the fact of keeping something in one's memory or the ability to retain something in one's mind. So for example, playing games can help children with vocabulary retention.
그렇죠. 게임을 통해서 단어를 오랫동안 기억하게 할 수가 있죠. 아이들에게 아주 좋은 방법이고 어른도 마찬가지입니다.
Oh, yeah, of course.
retention이라는 단어 자체가 무언가를 계속 유지한다는 뜻이 있어서 기억을 유지한다는 의미로 여기서 memory retention이 쓰였습니다. 기억력이 되겠죠. Well, here's the headline one more time. A new study shows that wasabi can improve some types of cognitive function in those aged over 60, especially in terms of memory retention. All right, well, let's move on to the next headline.